Alright, so today I'm going to replace the battery with the generic battery of the iRobot S9, I believe. And is the one that's like got a copper looking penny top and generic battery, which says it's going to work for it. I haven't watched a YouTube video on how to do this. Kind of like watch me fumble video. Hopefully it's fairly intuitive. I know one of the previous Roombas, I think it was the i7. It was quite difficult without a YouTube video, but yeah. So I believe it's going to be underneath here. So let's just go with that. So I'm going to eject my screwdriver thing. And we're going to look for is like this one, right? So just little Phillips. Okay, well I need a little bit of a bigger Phillips. I need a mid Phillips. So, right, let's try this one. That fits. It just seems like it's a little too big, but I don't know, let's try it. Oh, such a cool thing. Tighten. Makes sense. So tighten and then back it off. So like it's like top one. It's fairly intuitive. All right, so then it just kind of pops off, and this is the one that you're gonna want to pop out. Now, I've been recording, or thinking I'm recording for the past, I don't know, 3 minutes, and my iPhone was out of storage. So this is the actual replaced one, and there was a big fumble, but I'll save you guys the fumble. So there's these little tabs here that help you like pull out the battery, which is just some electrical or kind of, I don't know, some kind of tape. And I was like pulling them and they just ripped off, and I realized, oh, there's a screw there. And so this one here, which I'll put a link in the description below for this battery, much cheaper than iRobot or any kind of like Amazon based battery replacements for most things. If there's a version that's prime that ships from China or something like that, you're probably going to save 50 to 60% compared to OEM or direct from the manufacturer replacement parts. I think this was like in Canadian $40 or something like that. Now that's equivalent to US, I don't know, 29 or 30. So pop this out, and this would be equivalent like from them, like $100 or 90 US from iRobot. Just guessing. I bought one of these before from a different model and it was around that. So yeah, just a guess. But pop that off with the screw, use the tabs, pull it out. Then this one didn't come with the screw, which kind of like, it's fine, like without screwing it in, but it's nice to have it like tightened down. But they don't include the screw in this battery, unless it's like somewhere floating around in here. No, and it wasn't in the bag either. But popped out the screw from here, and you gotta like really ram this part up by pushing it this way and then pulling it out with the screwdriver. All right, so then you just put the cover back on, and then screw this one, this one, this one. These two I accidentally, unscrewed. And this one. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I accidentally unscrewed those, but whatever. So now it's on tight, and yeah, pretty easy to do it, and you could save a bunch of money. And if you're interested in saving a bunch of money and doing it yourself, there's a link in the description below for the battery that I use. But you don't have to buy that one. You don't actually have to buy anything related to this video. You don't have to do anything. But if you click that link in the description and you do purchase something, I'll get commission for that. So it's kind of cool. Like, here's a battery link below, and then you go and buy like socks, or you buy, Old Spice, whatever. I get a small commission for that because I kind of drove you to Amazon, and then that money goes and helps this channel so I can do more of this stuff. I like doing product reviews. If you found this helpful and useful, please leave a like or a comment below. And if you have any suggestions on any other videos, please let me know. I think this channel is really good at helping people and educating. If I can show something that could be helpful to one person, mission accomplished per video. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time, and have a great day.